Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Want to mirror your Android phone screen to your Windows 10 PC without installing any heavy apps? Then you need Scrcpy. It's lightweight, free, and super fast. Let me walk you through how to. Install and use Scrcpy to cast your Android screen right onto your Windows desktop. First, go to github.com, Scrcpy, Scrcpy, and scroll down to download the Windows zip version. After downloading, extract the zip file to a folder. Next, on your Android phone, go to Settings, About Phone. Tap Build Number 7 times to unlock Developer Options. Then go to Developer Options and enable USB debugging. Now connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Back on your PC, open the extracted Scrcpy folder and double-click on scrcpy.exe. That's it. Your Android screen will instantly show up on your PC, fully controllable with your keyboard and mouse. You can record your screen, change resolution, even run in full screen. For smoother performance, make sure your phone is unlocked and stay on a stable USB connection. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, How to Fix Techie, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.